Happy day, my fellow peeps. I have this cheap little craft I wanted to show you that you could do to make a little Easter decor, or any holiday actually, but this one is with Easter. So take a can, any can, soup can, vegetable can, bean can, sauce can, any can that you can get, and paint it any color you like, whatever you want. Then some Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Walmart, whatever, window clings. Get some handy dandy little window clings like this. Take one. I'm going to do all this with one hand, so bear with me. And just put it on there. Believe it or not, most of them will just stick. So you can change them around each year, whatever you want. See there? Oh, looky there. And then what you're going to do is get some foam. This came from an old cooler somebody was throwing away, so I snagged it up. And then you just want to stuff you some foam pieces down in here. Ah, not like that though. My hand got stuck on the can. Let's see. Just stuff some in here because they're going to serve a purpose. Doesn't have to be pretty. Then you're going to get your little plant pokes. You can use little peeps. See my little peeps? I only have 2 left that I've made. I've used all the other ones, so I have to make some more. You can take little eggs. Look at these from the Dollar Tree. Just pop them in there. I put a little hot glue. One of my granddaughters used to love playing with these little bunnies and all these baskets, so she grew up and doesn't want to play with them anymore. So I stuck them on there as well. There's a little plastic one. And I glued some little eggs in there. There we go. Alright, so then what you do is just, you could use flowers, woods, anything you can put on a little stick. And these are probably going to have to be, the sticks are too long. They're obviously too long, but I'm just going to give you an idea. Yeah, they're like way too long. This is way up there. I'm going to try to do this with one hand here. So bear with me, peeps. There we go. So it's sort of like arranging flowers. You can do them with flowers too. You just want to put all your little peeps, instead of in a basket, you're going to put them in a can. I'm doing this on the fly with one hand. Alright. See, this is what the styrofoam is for. This may be the ugliest one I ever make, but it'll give you guys an idea. Let's stick in one of these cute little bunny eggs. And we will do one of these little bunny baskets. I think you can get these little wooden skewers at the Dollar Tree. If not, I know you can get them from Walmart. They're really cheap. Alright, let's just... He wants to go there, that's where he's going. Okay, you get the idea. He looks kind of... This is a little tough with one hand. Turn around here, buddy. I don't like him there. Let's just stick with these 3. Just to give you the idea. Okay, then you're gonna take some Dollar Tree basket crap that gets all over the place when you use it. And stuff it in there. Preferably we're using 2 hands. Got to switch hands here. See if we can make this look halfway decent. These would be great for parties because you can make them look so cute without spending a lot of money. Anyways, you get the idea. There's so many different cute little clings you can use. So many. You can make a little plant poke out of anything. I love plant pokes. You can stick them in anything, anywhere. I love my plant pokes. But there you go. You see I have some more here. These are all for my mantle. I had this paint that's about expired and I wanted to use it up. So I'm going to make a bunch of these little plant poke arrangements. Isn't he cute? Just a little bunny. These are just clings. You just stick them on there. And if you get new clings next year, you can change them up, whatever you want. Alrighty, peeps. There you have it. Happy stitching.